Imagine waking up just 6 months from now. Your body feels lighter and stronger. Your mornings are calmer. There's a steady growth in your savings account. Your projects are visible to the world, and your relationships feel warmer and more real. Pause. This isn't a fantasy. It's exactly what can happen when you follow a clear and practical system, like the one laid out in the book. You need this 6-month plan. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Audiobook Lounge right now. We release a brand new audiobook summary every single day, designed to keep you moving forward one lesson at a time. Make sure you don't miss tomorrow's episode. The author explains that 6 months is the sweet spot for transformation. A year is too long. You lose focus. A month is too short. You barely see results. But 6 months is the golden balance. Long enough to achieve measurable change, yet short enough to stay motivated and hungry. During this time, you focus on 5 essential areas of life: your health, your money, your work, your skills, and your relationships. In each area, you commit to just one measurable outcome. Not vague wishes, clear, specific results. You might say, I will lose 8 pounds, or I will save $3,000, or I will publish 3 visible projects, or I will complete this certification, or I will reconnect with friends once a month. But goals alone are not enough. Each outcome must be paired with a keystone habit, a small, simple action repeated daily or weekly that over time drives massive results. 10,000 steps a day, a 90-minute deep work block in the morning, an automatic savings transfer, 30 minutes of focused study, a single thoughtful message to someone who matters. Tiny actions, huge compounding power. The journey unfolds month by month. In the first month, your only mission is to reset your rhythm, get consistent sleep, stabilize your mornings, and reduce friction. You're not chasing dramatic wins yet. You're laying a strong foundation. In the second month, you raise capacity. Add one more workout, study session, or savings boost. This is also where accountability kicks in. Maybe a friend, a coach, or even a public log to keep you honest. By the third month, it's time for the sprint. Pick one domain and give it an intense push for 3 to 4 weeks. Everything else stays at maintenance level. This is when visible results start showing up. Month 4 is about expansion and social proof. You make your work visible: photos, progress posts, a demo, or a blog entry. You also start upgrading your systems like meal prepping, calendar rules, or budgeting templates. Month 5 is for refinement. Eliminate what doesn't work. Replace stale routines with lighter, more sustainable versions. Simplify decisions so momentum becomes automatic. And in month 6, you consolidate your identity. You step into the new version of yourself. I am someone who trains. I am someone who saves. I am someone who ships work. You gather your results, numbers, screenshots, stories, compile your 6-month report, celebrate your progress, and then prepare for the next cycle. To make all of this possible, you need a weekly operating system. Every Sunday, spend 30 minutes planning the week. Pick your big 3 wins. During the week, block out 2 to 4 90-minute deep work sessions where you tackle your most meaningful projects. Each day, work from 2 lists. List A for critical tasks, List B for maintenance. Always start with List A. Anchor your energy with simple habits. Get morning light, eat protein for breakfast, and take a short walk after lunch. At night, shut down by cleaning your desk, preparing clothes, and writing tomorrow's big 3. And every Friday, spend 15 minutes reviewing what shipped, what blocked you, what one adjustment can fix most of the chaos. The book is packed with powerful tactics. Design your environment so good choices are the default. Water bottle on the desk, workout clothes ready, healthy food visible, distractions hidden. Follow the 2-day rule. Miss a habit once, never twice. If you can't complete the full version, do the micro version: 5 push-ups, 5 minutes of study, or $5 saved. Build public stakes, share updates weekly, join a group, or commit to someone else. And above all, protect your focus. Always complete one big 3 task before opening emails or scrolling. Success in this plan isn't measured with vague feelings, it's measured with proof. In health, track steps and strength reps, not just the scale. In money, watch your automatic transfers and check how much cash is left each month. In work, count the projects you actually ship. In skills, track hours studied and the small projects that apply what you learned. In relationships, log one meaningful connection daily and one in-person interaction weekly. Proof beats perception every time. Let's bring this to life with examples. Someone wants to lose weight, 8 pounds in 6 months. Their keystone habits: 10,000 steps a day, 3 short workouts each week, protein in meals, and a fixed bedtime. By month 3, they push nutrition harder for a short sprint. The result? Stronger, lighter, calmer, without obsession. Another person builds an emergency fund. Target, $3,000. Keystone habits, 10% auto savings, daily expense logging, and 1 no-spend day weekly. By month 2, they add a small side gig. By month 6, the fund is complete and investing begins. A third person wants career momentum. Outcome: 3 public projects. Keystone habits: 3 deep work sessions weekly and 1 weekly post or demo. Month 3 is a flagship sprint. By month 6, case studies are published and new opportunities start arriving. The psychology behind the plan is simple but powerful. Habits shape identity, and identity reinforces habits. Don't wait until you feel disciplined. Act like the person you want to be in small doses until the evidence piles up and the identity sticks. Engineer your environment so the easiest choice is the right choice. Use if-then plans. If it's 7 a.m., then I walk. Expect setbacks. What matters is having a restart protocol, the 2-day rule, micro versions of your habits, and a reset plan already written down. At the heart of everything is a single page, your one-page scoreboard. Your outcomes are at the top, your daily habits below as checkboxes, and tiny line charts to show progress over time. You can see your life in 10 seconds. If it's not visible, it's not real. This turns the process into a game, and games are easier to keep playing. So, who is this book for? It's for anyone tired of complicated frameworks, for anyone who wants measurable results without burning out, for beginners who need a clear starting path, and for high performers who want a reset and a lighter operating system. If you've ever said, "I know what to do, I just don't do it," this book is for you. By the end of 6 months, you will have measurable results in all 5 areas, 1 keystone habit for each, a weekly execution rhythm, a restart protocol to survive slumps, and a 6-month report that proves your transformation. And the setup is quick. Write today's date, then add 6 months. List the 5 domains with 1 outcome each. Pick a keystone habit for each. Schedule your Sunday planning and Friday review. Place your scoreboard where you'll see it often. Message a partner to hold you accountable. Then take the smallest possible step right now. Walk for 5 minutes. Transfer $5. Open a blank project file. Congratulations! You've already started. 6 months is the perfect horizon. 5 domains, 1 goal each, keystone habits, a weekly system, a sprint in month 3, consolidation in month 6, and then you repeat. Cycle after cycle, you become stronger, wealthier, sharper, and more connected. If you want that version of yourself 6 months from now, the time to act is today. And if you want daily fuel for your journey, subscribe to Audiobook Lounge. We post every single day, delivering summaries of the world's most powerful books so you always know your next step. See you tomorrow for the next summary.